Hi, this is question 76 on stoichiometry, and you have to pay attention to this one. In a titration, 10 ml of 5 millimolar sodium hydroxide standard were needed to neutralize 50 ml of an unknown solution of acetic acid. What is the molarity of the ethanoic acid? So, ethanoic acid is the acetic acid, okay? Don't get confused. Alright, so we need to figure out the molarity of ethanoic acid. This is basically just standardization using a standard solution to determine the concentration of an unknown. It's something we do in chemistry, real fun stuff. Maybe I'll show you guys one day. Alright, so but this is the calculation aspect, and we already know the concentration of our sodium hydroxide. So it can serve as our primary standard. Yeah, in this case. Okay, so probably let's not call it primary standard. Let's just call it what we're going to use to standardize the other thing. Number of moles of that one, the sodium hydroxide, must be equal to the number of moles of the acetic acid. That's where you start from. Okay, so let's figure out what the number of moles of our NaOH is. It's basically equal to the concentration multiplied by the volume, and the concentration is 5 millimolar, and then the volume is 10 ml. That's the volume of the sodium hydroxide. So 10 ml means 10 milliliters. I can do this one again because of that milli there. Alright, so if I have this and I multiply it out, I'm going to get the number of moles of my sodium hydroxide in moles. Let's see what that will be. That will be 5 times 10 to the power of minus 5 in mole. Okay, yeah. Then this number of moles of sodium hydroxide should equal the number of moles of acetic acid. Okay, so that means the number of moles of acetic acid is also 5 times 10 to the power minus 5. Yes. Then we can proceed to our calculation of the molarity. They said that the acetic acid solution was 50 ml, so that means the concentration or the molarity of ethanoic acid will be the number of moles of ethanoic acid divided by the volume of ethanoic acid. So we'll pick this one here, that's our number of moles, and the volume of ethanoic acid is 50 milliliters. And then we'll calculate all that. Just calculate all that. So that should give us 0.001 mole per liter, or capital M. And this is the answer to the question. Let me know if this was easy for you. If it was difficult, also let me know. And I'll see you on 77. Have fun. And also, if this was very hard for you, let me know in the comments as well.